secure, accurate, free, and fair national and local elections. This is what the acronym SAFE NLE stands for, which embodies the joint efforts of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Philippine National Police, Commission on Elections, Department of Interior and Local Government, and other stakeholders for peaceful May 2022 elections. The lighting of the SAFE candles and manifesto signing of the Pledge of Commitment kick off the program this Thursday dawn, February 10. One of the objectives of this initiative is to support the government's campaign for secure and fair elections.
I think there's no need to deputize them. They know their job, they're committed to their job, and they're committed to securing our elections.
According to Police Lieutenant General Bernie Balba, who leads the Area Police Command Visayas, several areas may still be placed under the election watch list because of political rivalries, possible armed groups, and threats in line with the coming elections.
Well, sa the whole of Visayas, wala tayong identified na private armed group. In fact, that is one of the mandate of the Area Police Command at to look after the private armed group.
Although they have not monitored any private armed groups utilized by candidates as of now, they are on the watch for criminal gangs that might take advantage of the situation.
Meron tayong mga minomonitor din na mga criminal groups that could be a potential to be used as to institute violent activities.
Here in Cebu, the upcoming election is already increasingly felt. In fact, a campaign rally was held early this morning by members of the 𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗏 party list. The event drew a huge crowd because this was attended by celebrity couple Jason Abalos and Vicky Rushton. According to the group's second nominee, Alfred de los Santos, he has always been visiting Cebu because he has been a devotee of Señor Santo Niño for 15 years already.
Mahalaga sa amin ang Cebu kasi ang Cebu po, sa personal ko, talagang dahil sa debosyon namin kay Santo Niño, kaya po napakahalaga nila sa amin.
He said Cebu played a huge role in giving their party list 2 seats during the last elections, which is why they would like to return the favor through their current platforms for the province.
Also ang Cebu, isa ito sa mga lugar na nagbigay sa amin ng napakalaking boto nung nakaraang eleksyon. Kaya po, right after the 2019 elections, marami po kaming programang inilabas dito sa Cebu bilang pasasalamat namin sa mga Cebuanos.
This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.